How are you? How is doing? Everything is fine. Now we are looking on the market right now. I think first 30 minutes. Okay. First touch, second touch, third touch, and it's break. Okay. There is a high possibility. I said that very high possibility market goes up. It's around Friday. Okay. We write the note there. Okay. We are ready to buy. But we need some confirmation first. Then I think it goes to buy. Mhm. Some change of character in small level and some kind of info. Let's take the market. Take a shift. Good. Come to down. Mhm. This is very important for everyone. We need to time. What is she showing? She's showing his ghost down. No, let's check it. Market is up and she's going down. That means she goes up. Now it's already around Saturday, and Saturday and Sunday market is very conservative. We have a two options. We buy at this point, but one thing is you remember there is a high possibility chance he hits take my stop loss. That's the reason 1611 59.8. 1611 1598. It's around 50 limit 20. Now then, there is a simple logic. You look, market come this point. It's when he goes to rally, it's need to take stop loss. But around it's take long time. Reason is simple. There is a it's Saturday or Saturday and Sunday market is very slow. You look, the candle liquidity is very small. That's the reason. Saturday and Sunday I sweep 15 minutes. Oh, it's showing up. Okay, I will take one trade to buy. Really? Yeah. You think again? Yeah, I'm ready. Which point? Around this. You really think this going by? Yeah, but one condition. Sorry, sorry. Come again. No, he goes. I know he goes. You look, this is the similar to tomorrow. There is no obligation, and I'm saying that there is no objection for me. Okay, it's come again and go. Hmm. We need to think about it. We're going to sell that point. Yeah. Live markets selling this area 1637. 1637, sir. 1637. Wow, 1611. What is the logic you take this trade? Simple. When market goes up and we have the opportunity to market comes this point. But there is the some possibility. I said it. I said that there is the some possibility market goes down. Down? What do you mean down? He goes this point. Yeah, I think you need not. Shit. Okay, I must take 45. 45 multiply 3. 90, 135, 126. Yeah, this is correct. Sometimes we take long trade too. When it's going to positive, I trail my stop losses. There is some reason I can go this type because market showing some patience like that. Six. Oh, you said what's going on? Market shows. That's the reason I don't trade in these types of market. Your target is up or down. Yeah, yeah. That is enough. According to my plan, 60 is enough. He goes up, he goes down. But this is the not a continue ratio, Rohit. Yeah, you are right. Okay, it was stop loss. Wow, it's still stop loss. Now start Monday. Monday we look in 5 minute time frame. This is not disgusting like that. Next time, please don't trade Sunday and Tuesday. Okay. Wait a second. Sorry about it. I think we don't download the good phone. Hey, this take a long day. But we know the truth of this market. How to discover this point as well? Oh, when take too long time, you just trailing this. Because when you know this market, you already have something. Yeah. Oh, this is a corner, mini, 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 mini. It's going coming down. Oh, I know this is coming down about this level and goes up. When is it possible? Yes, this level is precious. Look the market. What the reason you take this trade too long? There's something to I think this is progress. But I watched the whole story. It's take 2 days. Yeah, I enter the trade in 5 or it's already 6. I think when you try to continue 1 minute time frame, next time I'm coming, I try 1 minute to 3 minute time frame to check it. It's showing up. But if going not going down, oh, 1:1 is 1:2 is almost done 2 times. This gonna be fine. You know this happened. You watch. Oh, oh. What the heck? When he's still coming, that means he's going down without any hesitation. Simple. When I'm here, I'm going to sell. And it's break it. You're going to sell there too. You are right, bro. Where the hold so you need this point. Yeah, $6 is enough. You save the 10 now. Yes. Discount 2 times. That the reason is gone. हमारे तो आधा टाइम में तो फिर आधे टाइम में कुछ हो ही ना